Hi guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So today, these coins before us are all coins that I've found that these are all $1 coins that should not be in circulation. So these are not meant for circulation. So these are special commemoratives that you pay good dollars for. So in some cases, depending on how they're bought, but $3 or $4 each normally would probably be the average sort of cost across these coins. Now, I think there's roughly around 65 odd coins in this lot, and some of them are doubled up, and but they have different mint marks on them. So this one here, I think all these ones have C mint marks on them, but this here was a coin that I remember going to the mint, and I remember putting a few dollars in the machine, and out came one of these back in 2014. So yeah, these kind of coins were either ones that people went directly to the mint or to some of the days as the mint travels around the country. You get to pick up different coins, and they'll mint an M on them, or a C for Canberra, M for Melbourne, or S for Sydney, and they do a B for Brisbane, I'm pretty sure. So this one's got a C on it. So all these ones have been found in circulation. So I'll just show you a few of them, but there's something I really want to point out to you guys, because while these sort of coins they sort of all of a sudden they jump out to us because they're not something we see each and every day. There's a couple here. What's this one? This is it's got a B on it. Yep, a B for Brisbane, but it's actually the Sydney Harbour Bridge coin. This one here has a C on it, so you can see there that there is a C. So yeah, all these coins, there's plenty of them. I'll just maybe scan over the top of them just so you can have a quicker look at them, but there is a heap there, you see that? So there's plenty of these ones here. Yeah, Kingsford Smith. So they're not meant to be in circulation, but clearly that's been in circulation for a while. I've even come across a few coloured coins. Some of them, the colour, in this case it's got a bird on there, but I have come across ones with chimpanzees and those kind of things, different animals, that are clearly just not meant to be in circulation, and we find those. That's a 2011 there. So yeah, all different kinds for all different commemorative situations. Actually, this one's an interesting one as well. So this is actually a proof coin. It's got a bit of wear and tear on it, but it's a proof Mob of Ruse, 1991 proof coin. So yeah, something else to look out for. So one other thing, or what I really want to show you in this video, is coins that actually look pretty normal, and there's two examples here of, well, this looks fairly normal. This is one that we see each and every day that we go noodling, but if you look down the bottom here, there's actually an S on it. And I get my trusty little pointer out, which I've used a number of times. You can see an S there, so it's an S for Sydney. So that makes this coin a little bit more special than the average one that we see in circulation. So you got to look close at your coins as you go through them. I do have another example which is a lot nicer. So that one's got an M on it. You see that there? It's got an M for Melbourne. So that one was minted in Melbourne, maybe at the Melbourne show or something like that. So I know they certainly do that at the Sydney, at the Easter show as well. The mint will go and visit. There's another one that we find in circulation every day, and there it is. Once again, there's an M, and that's not on the normal ones that we find in circulation. So yeah, all I'm trying to show today is that keep an eye out. You don't know what you're going to find. There is so much to look out for. You never know what's going to pop up. So things like this, a beautiful coin, you know, something special. So I hope you guys have some luck and you don't miss out on finding any of these coins that really shouldn't be there, but you're glad to find them when they do. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and we'll talk another day.